Flight level.
T-minus 80 seconds.
Second stage LH2 securing started.
Locks GSE secured.
RCO, report range, go for launch.
Range, go for launch.
LC, this is LD. You are go to launch.
Roger, go for launch.
T-minus 60 seconds.
Engine start box, go.
T-minus 50 seconds. T-minus 45 seconds.
Launch enable, GE, main power off.
Main power off. Second stage LH2 secure at flight level.
T-minus 34 seconds.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Green board.
T-minus 25 seconds.
Flight lock-in.
SRM TVC below down.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Rope ignition.
T-minus 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the WGS-3 spacecraft for the United States Air Force. The Wideband Global Satcom satellite provides a significant increase in capacity to our joint warfighter and Australian international partner.
Altitude now a little over 1 nautical miles. Velocity 1,800 feet per second. Just passing 30 seconds. Solid motor chamber pressure is now beginning to decline. Passing 36 seconds, Mach 1. Vehicle is now transonic. Chamber pressures on the 4 solid motors are decreasing as expected. 50 seconds in. Max Q, maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle.
We are listening to
Coming up
Steve
55
Agate.
seconds
He's
into the
calling
flight.
out flight data in real time.
Still looking good. Main engine control is very good. About 1/2 minute remain on the solid motors. Chamber pressure is still decreasing on the solids as expected. 1 minute, 15 seconds into the flight. About 15 seconds now remaining on the solid rockets. Chamber pressure is now beginning to decline on all 4 solids. Standing by for burnout. And we have burnout. Standing by for SEP. And we have separation. Separation of all solid rocket motors. 1 minute, 50 seconds into the flight. Delta vehicle only weighs 1/2 now of what it did at launch, some 1 minute, 56 seconds ago. We are now depleting propellant at the rate of 1,850 pounds per second. Now passing 2 minutes, 3 seconds into the flight. Altitude now 31.4 nautical miles. Velocity 6,439 feet per second. Downrange distance 38.2 nautical miles.